Let's make the ultimate Korean chicken burger. Crispy, spicy, and totally addictive. Start with boneless chicken thighs. Marinate with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, chili flakes, and a touch of honey. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Now coat the chicken in a mix of flour and cornstarch. Double dip for that extra crunch. Fry until golden and perfectly crispy. For the sauce, mix gochujang, ketchup, soy sauce, garlic, sugar, and sesame oil. Simmer until thick. Toss the fried chicken in this fiery sauce. Toast some burger buns. Add a layer of mayo, crunchy lettuce, and that saucy chicken. Top with pickles or coleslaw. And there you go. Your Korean chicken burger is ready to impress. Save this recipe and subscribe. Taste at